Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15BW025NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing your HP 15BW025NS getting so hot that it burns to the touch, you're not alone. This overheating is often due to dried out thermal paste, which can lead to serious damage if left unchecked. If not repaired promptly, your laptop could suffer from permanent hardware failure, which might be costly to fix. To carry out the thermal paste replacement, you'll need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a plastic spudger, and isopropyl alcohol. First, ensure your laptop is shut down and unplugged. Start by carefully removing the back cover using a Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious as you pry it open with the spudger to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is off, locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a metal heatsink. Carefully unscrew the heatsink using the Phillips screwdriver, noting the position of the screws as you remove them. It's essential to apply even pressure and avoid stripping the screws. Gently lift the heatsink away from the CPU and GPU, being careful not to pull any attached cables. You may notice old thermal paste on the chips and the heatsink. Use a cloth or tissue with isopropyl alcohol to clean off the old paste thoroughly. Once the surfaces are clean and dry, apply a small, pea-sized amount of new thermal paste to the center of each chip. Reattach the heatsink by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws, ensuring they are tightened equally to avoid uneven pressure. Remember, if at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. To ensure everything is working correctly, power on your laptop and monitor the temperatures. To prevent your HP 15BW025NS from overheating again, make sure to clean the vents regularly and consider using a cooling pad. Additionally, keep an eye on your thermal paste, replacing it every couple of years or as needed. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.